I don't know, it's a lot of hanging around on the streets that shouldn't be. So I don't know what you could do about that. Cause I'm for one, some people could walk up and talk to them, but I don't say nothing, I just move on. Cause they look at me as a woman and they say, well, this old lady is out here trying to do this, let's take care of her. So I kinda walk around and keep my mouth closed and look at them, unless I really know them.
Well, if there's a lot of hanging around, and I'm assuming you're talking about young folk.
Yeah.
In some cases, you got older folk hanging around, but mostly young people are on these street corners, and I think, it's not a good thing, but the question is, why? You know, is there something we can do that would cause them not to hang out on the corner? Now, first thing come to most of our minds is, let's call the police, and get the police involved, and then we lock them up, send them, they are kids, okay. But I guess the real question is, yeah, if they are on the corners and they are breaking the law, and what I'm saying, committing a crime, then there's a reason for the police to get involved. If they're on the corner, you know, not committing a crime and just hanging out on the corner because they ain't got nowhere else to hang out, then, what can we do to find somewhere for them to go to be doing something more positive than what they're doing hanging out on the corner? You know what I'm saying? So I think, as we, as we look at what's going on and what we perceive to be problems in our community, I think, again, we also got to ask ourselves some questions. Is there something else we can do? Um, so, I guess what I'm hearing you say is that, you know, you'd like to see something done to reduce the number of folk that's hanging out on the corners in your neighborhood.
Number one, they need jobs. Number two, they need a place to go to hang out rather than on the corner. There's nothing in the neighborhood that I know of that the teenagers or whatever can go to and have a certain time to be there, a certain time to get out and go home and have fun.
What do you think, Miss Taylor?
Although I've been in and out of the community quite a bit, I think for some kids who are out there who really have nowhere else to go, and that's why they're out there. I didn't realize until recently how many young people actually don't have living quarters or homes, those kinds of things. But I guess the problem is that you can't always tell up front what's happening with a person. I agree that opportunities are not there, but then again, a lot of times the interest isn't there.
When you say the interest, you mean the interest in young folk being interested?
I mean, in many respects, they aren't either. Finding an outlet for a person means that you need to know what kind of an outlet they need. And everybody doesn't need the same thing. So the question is, how do you go about finding out how to provide a setting for people with different interests and still be able to accommodate a place or a type of community setting so that people not only feel good about coming, they feel safe about coming. They want to come, and there's something there for them. I mean, there are a lot of things I do that I really don't have answers for because there don't seem to be any answers right now. There just seems to be issues. And finding answers is a lot harder. You talk about physical space. again, you have to have somewhere for it to occur. And you need parents to be involved so that kids know that parents really care. I mean, you have to still that ratio of parent to kids, where parents aren't taking enough interest in their kids. But